In this video, I'm going to cover important considerations for green card applicants who are going through the process right now as the end of fiscal year 2022 is coming to an end. Important updates about visa availability, retrogression, and things you need to know as you're going through the process of applying for your green card. So, if you're interested in this topic, I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our immigration channel. This is a place where you get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration information, and everything else that you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I help clients in all 50 states and all over the world. And in this video, I'm going to give you some very important considerations for you to know if you're going through the process of applying for your green card in 2022. There's some important things you need to know as the fiscal year comes to an end in October 1st. There are certain things that you need to know, like certain visa availability for employment-based green cards, maybe retrogression, slowdown of some family-based visas, and some important changes in forms that you need to use when you apply for your green card. But before we do that, before we talk about that, if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. And also, if you are currently going through the immigration process, if you're stuck, if you need help, if you need a second opinion, whatever you need, text me 619-483-4549. I'm here for you. So I've made a video about the Visa Bulletin September 2022 where I went into detail about the changes and the concerning points of what happened in the Visa Bulletin 2022. The link to that video is in the description of this video. But in this video, I'm going to talk about some very important things that will apply to you if you're going through the green card process at the moment. And specifically, in this particular Visa Bulletin, September 2022, there was a Section D notation. You can see the notation here somewhere on the screen. And what that says is that the notation is referencing the possible unavailability of employment-based visas through September. Specifically, the Visa Bulletin states that the federal government anticipates that they will issue all employment-based visas available through the end of September, which means there'll be no visas left moving forward to next month. If this in fact happens, USCIS will no longer going to be able to approve employment-based green cards until 2023. Just so you know, the government fiscal year actually starts on October 1st, 2022. The idea is that if there are categories that are currently unavailable from October, they may not start issuing new visas until beginning of 2023, which is quite concerning for some applicants who have been waiting for quite a long time. So how is this going to impact you who are going through the process, who are about to get a green card, who are waiting, who are pending? What's going to happen is that the next few weeks, USCIS and the Department of State are going to reach the total number of employment-based visas available for this fiscal year. Which means if you're pending and you're waiting and you're hoping to be able to get a green card this year, if they reach their capacity, you will not be able to do so and will have to wait for your turn in 2023. And as you remember, earlier in the year, USCIS promised that they're going to do whatever it takes to make sure they're going to use all employment-based visas by the end of 2022, so none of these visas are going to get wasted, and it looks like they've been able to do so based on this current prediction. Some statistic the Department of State issued earlier is that there are approximately about 280,000 employment-based visas to be used in 2022. This is actually double the typical amount of 140,000 visas per year. And again, this is due to the unused numbers of family visas from 2021 and before. This rolled over to the employment base, and therefore they had such a large number of visas that had to be used by the end of this year, and this seems to be the case. Another important consideration for those of you currently pending through the process as the fiscal year comes to an end is an important change to Form I-485. This is the form that is used for your adjustment of status application. There's going to be a new edition for this form starting on September 21st, 2022. And it's very important for you to know that starting September 21st, 2022, the USCIS will only accept the last version, which is July 15th, 2022 edition of Form I-485. If you send any older editions, your case may be rejected and you will have significant delays in your applications. If you look in the description of a video, we have a separate video that tells you how to check the right edition of your form. It's very valuable information. So if you're doing this yourself, you're never going to mess up and you never get your case rejected because you're using the wrong form. So check out that video. It's in the description of this video as well. So once again, things are happening, things are moving fast. We only have 1 month left for the end of the fiscal year 2022. Remember, the new fiscal year for immigration starts on October 1st, 2022. It seems like in the next few weeks they're going to run out of the employment-based visas capacity. They're going to run out of employment-based visas allocations, and so those of you that are not going to be able to make it will be rolled over to next year when the fiscal year starts again. So hopefully this information is helpful. I'll keep updating you. I'll keep posting new information as soon as we have that available for your benefit, so you keep yourself up to date and know what to expect, and hopefully have less stress in the process. Once again, if you do need my help with any of your immigration matters, text me 619-483-4549. I'm here for you, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.